Well, welcome back to the channel. I'm up here with the Sawmill today. The weather is really weird today. I mean, I don't know if it's going to rain or what it's going to do, but it's nice that it's not real sunny and hot because we're expecting some really high temperature coming here within the next couple days. So I did bring some extra water up to do the gardening, but I think I can cut this up. What I wanted to do is see what's inside of this because, you know, it's been setting for a couple years. Who knows what it actually looks like. If it's all rotted up, you can't really use it. But if it is, I can just cut it up and use it for firewood. But if not, it'd be nice to make some kind of project out of it. And, you know what I mean? So we'll end up taking it down to the shop and doing something down there with it. I got everything all set up here. The Sawmill, now this is going to be the first time I've used it in months. I mean, months. But everything's greased up. I had it run a little bit. Put gas in it. And we're going to see what we can do here. Let's see if I got to go up a little bit higher here. Take off that first. Well, I'll tell you what. Let's just take off this first section. I'd like to see what it's going to look like about right here somewhere. Make sure it's not going to hit them backstops. Don't look like it's going to hit them. Okay, let's see what we got here. This is our first cut. And I guess we can probably use a little bit of it. Kind of wish I would have cut it a little bit higher up and used this piece, but we didn't. Let me go ahead and just lay it off the side here. Okay, I'm going to cut probably about 1.25 inches off of there. That way, if I had to, I can run that through a planer. So we need about 1.25 inches lower. What we had. Wow, that's about right there. Pretty sure. Oh, better go down there first, huh? Go down to 1 inch. I'm going to hitting them backstops here. All right, let's see what this will do. Like I said, I just need enough to go to a planer, so it would be you know, so you can plane it down a little bit. Let's try it there. I hope I didn't move that log. Did I move that log? Shoot, I have to check it. I think I moved that log. Yep, I think I moved it. I sure did. Can't have that because it won't be a very even cut now, would it? That thing's gonna stay there. Okay, it fits off a little bit. That don't make that much of a difference, but the planer will straighten it out. Here, that's 10, 1, right there. Now I got a piece sticking out on the other side over there. Not gonna be able to do it that way. Still hitting over there. Can use something. I think I had a smaller 2x4. Something to pull that over, hold it over. Well, I need a rock or small log or something. Try it there. There we go, we passed it. Now if I can get another piece off of there. I think so. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip this thing over and cut the other side. Because it probably might be something on this other side. Yeah, that thing. He said, it's been a while since I've done this, so I think once you start doing it, then you got to get back into it, I guess. Yeah, I should have cut that without strapping it down. We'll find out here. Right there. See, give me a number. So this one here is about 2 inches thick. I've cleaned it off. So we could probably use that one for sure. There's some smaller ones here, and you can see some of these. They'll do pretty good if you want to build something like I said, like you could put you know, coat hooks or something like that on. That comes out really nice like that. Clean them up, maybe stain them if you want to stain them. Here's the one I'm going to kind of work with here because it's a little bit thicker. Great for knife stalks. If you're going to have if you make knives, it'd be great for it. People like that little character of getting old, you know, well seasoned, I guess that's what you want to call it. But this one's, I think it's probably about 2 inches thick, and these are 1 inch, so I think I had an extra cut. So it's not bad. We got a handful of them over here. Some different things to kind of work with a little bit. Maybe we'll take something down in the shop and do something down there. So, okay. If you got any comments, just leave them in the comment section. And thanks for watching, and have a great day.